It's language paper 2. What do you need to do in order to get the best out of this paper? What do you need to do in order to get the highest amount of marks available? Watch this video to get a step-by-step insight into how to master language paper 2. So let's get straight into it. So section A is testing your understanding of 2 non-fiction texts. One is going to be from the 19th century and another one from the 20th century, so a more modern text. Today we're focusing on question 1, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes. It's worth 4 marks, so you're selecting and looking out for the true statements. So this comprises of you being able to read the source effectively, and it tests your skills of comprehension, being able to retrieve information directly from the source. So let's get straight into question 1, because the other videos in my series will cover the rest of these questions. So the 2 sources that we're reading about. So source A is a 20th century non-fiction text called The Death Zone by Matt Dickinson. And source B is a 19th century literary non-fiction text called London Snow. This is an extract written from a diary by Arthur Mumby, published in 1867. So the types or the format of the sources are different. That's something to pay attention to. So if you spend time reading over the sources, so you could pause it here or follow the description on the video. So what I would suggest is read source A, and then after you've read source A, read source B as well, so that you're able to tackle the rest of the questions in this paper. And in my series, I'll be going through all of the questions, so stay tuned. So now let's get into question 1. So it says, read again source A from lines 1 to 12. So it only gets you to focus on one of the sources. Choose 4 statements below which are true. And then you have to shade the circles in the boxes of the ones that you think are true. So again, it's testing your skills of comprehension. So once you've read source A and you think you have a really good understanding, it's important to go back and check the answers. So only focus on the given line numbers. Read all the statements carefully first. Sometimes the wording can be deceptive, so pay attention to this. Although it's 4 marks, those 4 marks can be the difference between an entire grade. And I've seen that happen to students. So be very focused when you're approaching this question. So now if you shade in the 4 statements, if you got them correct, these should be your answers. So it should be B, C, G, and H. And if you get all 4 of those correct, that's 4 easy marks and you're on your way towards a grade 9. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be giving you a summary of how to answer the rest of the questions. So watch these videos, take notes and pause them, go over the process of how to answer these questions so that you're on your way to getting that grade 9 in English. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care.